can replace shaving foam with a common food product. Today's video will discuss how to get rid of the hair on your legs. Before you watch this video, please take a moment. Just subscribe our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button, then tap the bell icon so you will be the first to know when we post new videos daily. There are few things as annoying as standing in the showers about to shave your leg and finding out you're out of shaving foam. To prevent any red, irritated bumps from appearing on your skin, using shaving foam is definitely the best option when you want to get rid of the hair on your legs. Luckily, there's another great option. It's a food product pretty much everyone has in their kitchen. Your legs will be silky smooth after shaving with this cooling product. Olive oil. The miracle product we are talking about is olive oil. Olive oil is great to use in many different dishes, but it's also the perfect shower product. Some women have been using olive oil as a replacement for shaving foam for a long time already because it's said to make your legs silky smooth and completely free of hair. Test. To make sure this strange trick really works, Glamour UK decided to take the challenge. They tested the olive oil method over a certain period of time to find out whether it provides the preferred result in the shower. My legs were the smoothest they have ever been. They felt supple, moisturized, and rash-free. One member of the editing team said, "Tips. So, are you unexpectedly out of shaving foam? Or do you want to make sure you can enjoy the warm weather ahead with soft, smooth legs? And shaving with olive oil is definitely worth a try." Glamour UK did provide 2 additional tips. Keep a towel close by and only apply a little bit of olive oil with one hand. That way you will prevent your other hand from becoming too slippery to keep hold of the razor. Are you going to try this? Let me know in our comment section below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. For more daily tips, subscribe to our channel below. Thank you.